So we're down to the assembly part, and I've got these O-rings right here. I got this one and this little one right here. This one is in good shape still. It feels like it was probably replaced. Still has that good rubbery feel to it. This one is a little bit dry rotted, and looking through all of my O-ring collection, I don't even have an O-ring that fits that I believe. I'm going to try to find one, but if I can't, I'm going to go ahead and get some on order because it's a flat O-ring, and I just don't have any flat ones like this, and this one's kind of dry rotted, but we're going to, if I can't find one, I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in for right now. So thanks guys for joining me today on this little restoration of the oil can. I think it turned out really good. I was going to put a sticker on there, but I can't figure out a sticker to kind of put on there. What oil I have in there is air tool oil for right now, and it's going to get a lot of use. I use my air tools and stuff like that, so I like it. I like the color. The blue and the brass, I think, really look good together. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and share it all over social media. You guys have any questions, comments, leave it in the section down below. I appreciate you guys watching. I post weekly videos on Wednesday and Sundays, so make sure you guys check it out. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the bell so you guys know exactly when I post videos, usually in the mornings. And thanks guys for joining me today. I'll see you guys on the next video.